We got a 2022 Subaru BRZ key fob. Let's open it to change the battery. Okay, so if we flip it over, there's a button here. We're going to press and hold down with our thumb, and we're going to pull out the emergency key. Okay, that unlocks the emergency key. Now once we have that out, there's a couple slots in here. Okay, this is where the emergency key came out of, and right below that there's another slot. Okay, we're going to put our flathead screwdriver in here like this. It doesn't go very far, but we're just going to give it a turn. Okay, when we give it a turn, it actually popped the remote open. We can go on the sides here, just lift it up. Now we want to do all this. If you notice, all this becomes loose with the buttons facing down, because the buttons can just fall out. All this can just fall out. Each one of these buttons can fall out. We don't want that to happen, so we're going to hold it like this. And we're going to go underneath this battery right here on this side here. Just pry it up, unlock it. Show you what size the battery is. The battery's a CR2032. That's the size. Positive sign is facing out towards us where we can read the writing. Put it in the bottom first. Or we're actually put it in the upper part first, where these tabs are set up. They hold the battery in, and the bottom locks it in like that. Now if you need a battery or the size again, it'll be down in the description box of the video. There'll be a link there that takes you to Amazon, or it will show you the correct size battery if you want to purchase it there. So we just get the cover, we stick it back on, and we're going to start at the top, put some pressure on it, work our way down, lock it back down. You know you have it all installed correctly when the emergency key goes back in and locks. Okay, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment.